shoots him! He shoots! Oh my!
Lightning up 2-1.
Fight.
Machete, it's Rondo, R-O-N-D-O. Passcode is 1111. Yeah. These boys. Back 1-2. I hope I said that right. I'm too excited. Oh, there's the random off the top elbow I was talking about. What's up, Soul? Hope I'm saying that right. Launched again. Ooh, drops it. Frees a gut punch. Finally doesn't drop. These are our young, hungry kids. Ooh, Charizard hitting him with the grapples. Oh, Sith gun 2-1 on the rounds. Getting each other out here. Ooh, that gut punch hurts. Off the top. They know I love the off the top. I'm telling you, I need to give these kings a raise. Ooh, drops again. I'm gonna need to put a drop counter on that. Ooh, oh, launch. Come on, boys. Wow. Let's get a T.K.O. Lightning gets the shove. So for everyone who came after, like I said, Pass is a Yoshi main. So he does some out of pocket stuff sometimes. Gets the people's elbow. Oh, Tijuana Twister to take the. Launch Lightning is taking it to him. Let's see what Pat's gonna do to get out of this. A DDT, smooth criminal style. Ooh. All right, Lightning got it.
Fight.
Good rage up. Got good heat. Oh, can Pass save himself?
Round 4. Fight.
Tiger Kid says I got a Slim Jim and a C4. Is crazy, Tiger. For everyone showing up later, between rounds, I'll put all the matches up on the screen so you see what's coming. Ooh, into a Tijuana Twister. Tight again. Final round, boys.
Final round.
Here, I'm not even going to say a word.
He shoots him! He shoots! Oh my!
Is that even in the rule book?
And Passdatt wins the first